Yo, oh my god. We're going to this natural pool place. I think I'm gonna bring my camera to get some footage. Hopefully, you know, nothing gets damaged or anything. But yeah, I'm excited. Are you good?
I'm excited. We about to swim. It took me forever to learn how to swim. When I learned how to swim,
I'm just swim like this. Like a
dog paddle. My parents paid like countless summers of me to swim and never learned.
I still can't learn. I could swim. I can do the breaststroke and like the doggy paddle. But
yeah, that's it.
Swimming.
They put me in so many classes and I never learned to swim.
Wow, this is so pretty.
I'm out here being adventurous.
Yes. Oh, this is where you find the Americans.
Haiti styling.
Isn't this cool?
This reminds me of when we went to VR.
No, it's better. This is pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of where we're staying. So this is a bathroom, super cute, nice little shower over here. And then this is like our soap, our water, because you know you can't drink the water. And like our towels.
Not all the way down.
And then this is, I guess, where we're gonna unpack our stuff. Usually I'm really paranoid, so I never unpack my stuff, but I think I'm gonna do that this time. And then me and my sister are sharing a room. So this is my sister's bed, and then this is my bed, and then this is our little TV, which is super cute. Obviously our luggage is everywhere because, you know, where else we're gonna put it right now? I don't know. And then the best part, we have a view of the ocean. It is so pretty, it's so beautiful. Let's see if I can open this. My gosh, how do I open this? I'm assuming you push it, but
No, it's already down.
so how are we supposed to open this? How did you do it?
No, it just honestly reminds me of.
So we finally got the door open. So this is our view, and look at the beach. It is so pretty. I think my brother should have locked me in here. John! You guys say I'm mean to him. You see why? He locked me out here. Yeah, you tried to lock me out here. Wait, can I have a hug too? So we're on our way to get some snacks before the snack bar closes. It closes at 5 and then dinner closes at 7. So we don't even know where we're going. So this is an adventure. You gotta keep up, man. I'm gonna wait for my dad, so he loves me the most. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
I love how everything is just like all open and stuff and it's not enclosed. It's really pretty. So we're at the food place and apparently they have nothing left, so that sucks for us. So since I came too late, there's only french fries left, so I'm gonna have to wait till dinner to eat. And my mom was able to snag a burger, and my sister's also eating fries, and I don't even know what that is. Is that pineapple?
Yeah.
That's good. Disgusting. Where should put her?
No, still got it.
What's up? You like your burger? So I just got ready and I'm about to go take pictures on the beach and stuff. This is what I'm wearing. This cute little two-piece from Fashion Nova, and these glasses I think are from Shein. And I'll let you guys know. I literally can't even walk. These are the steps that I have to take in order to like do anything. Brittany, you have to walk slower because I legit can't even walk. They're legit only playing Chris Brown. I don't mind it because I love Chris Brown, but still, it's still kind of weird. I just got more food because it's good. Okay, so we're waiting for a show to start around 9. It's not starting yet. Why do they have the light-skinned people up front though? They're racist! Oh my gosh, we just saw lizards.
Oh my god, look.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where did we go that there was
There's
all
one
those
right
things?
there.
Was it Florida?
I don't know. And there's one on the door. And there's like 5 of them. I'm just gonna run for it. Yo, oh my god. We're gonna go check out the nightclub. We probably shouldn't go, but you know, we're gonna go because there's nothing else to do and we wanna have fun, so. Are you gonna diss the people, Brittany? She said if anybody touches her, she's smacking them. I'm smacking them too because I'm not dissing with nobody. We're just gonna, you know, check it out and then we're probably gonna go back to the room and I have the hiccups, so. Hey guys, so it's day 2 at the hotel. I just got kicked out of my room because the house cleaners are cleaning and I was changing, so now I'm just sitting on the balcony. Enjoying your mango? I can see you guys through the cracks.
Hi.
There's this bird on our balcony that's literally just been staring at us the entire time. I can't even really swim because there are locals trying to sell, I guess, like, I don't know, just sell stuff to us. It's kind of awkward because 1, we didn't bring any money with us to the beach. And 2, I just want to swim, man. I'm not trying to buy like a bunch of stuff. Honestly, I kind of feel bad, so I may like go get money from my room and just like buy it so they just leave us alone, but I don't know, man. He's trying to splash me.
I'm not gonna splash you.
They're trying to still sell us stuff even though we just bought something, so I guess buying something didn't work. John, I swear. No, I will punch you.
Oh my god.
You're so annoying. And he's right, I really will punch him in the face. So we're only staying at the resort for 3 days because on Thursday we had to go to a wedding that we were invited to. That's at 10 a.m. on Thursday, and then we're supposed to leave again on Thursday to go to a different resort. So we're thinking about just like going to this like really nice house in Port-au-Prince and just chilling there. So yeah, I don't really know, but we're gonna figure it out. So my dad is literally in the water alone by himself and I feel kind of bad. Okay, coming. All right, so he wants a photo. Like literally me and my dad are all about our photos. I mean, obviously we want to have fun too, but me and him were literally like, we're just the same. But yeah, I'm gonna go spend some time with him. So I'll see you guys in a few. I'll be back. I think I'm just gonna lay out because I really want to get tan. My dad's friend gave us a bunch of mangoes before we got here, so I'm just gonna grab one. Look at the sunset. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's like a dream. Also, I've never seen anyone do this on a beach before, like ever.
Yo, I spend on the beat again.
Today's the last day. I didn't do my makeup or my edges because I'm just tired. All right, today I'm eating pasta, salad, watermelon, and a fruit cup. Okay, so I'm about to go to a local wedding. It's my father's cousin's wedding. I've never been to a local Haitian wedding before, so I'm gonna film a few clips so you guys can come along with me. Looks really good. Oh my gosh. Well, that's avec lui. We're staying